Hi everybody, do you find yourself stalling at traffic lights or busy roundabouts, but when you're moving off on the side of the road or a junction, you're perfectly fine? If you do, then I'm going to tell you what the reason is. So if you find yourself in that situation where you know you're good at clutch control, you know you can pull off, you know you're quite good to pull off at junctions and side of the road, but when it comes to traffic lights or a busy roundabout, it goes apart and it just stalls on you and you're pulling your hair out thinking what's going on, and you're sort of saying don't rush. Let me tell you what it is. It's in your head. You convince yourself that it's never going to happen, and you're just going to need to remind yourself what's happening when you're pulling off the side of the road, which is you get yourself ready, you get your gas and bites, looking around and everything's fine, and you pull off because you're pulling off in your time. When it's a quiet junction, doing the same thing, you get yourself organized, you pull off in your time, so you're not rushing. But when you're at traffic lights, at the front is usually the lights change and you've got a rush to go because they might change back to red, from green to red, and that's causing you to forget about your feet, about holding the biting point. Or if you're second in the queue at traffic lights, that's just as bad, because what happens then is that the car in front of you, as soon as it changes, they rush off, and you feel like you've got to keep up with them because they're pulling away, and it's making you rush off again, and that's causing you to stall or kangaroo down the road, which is a bit embarrassing, isn't it, at that point? Because you feel like, oh God, everyone's watching me. So you need to remind yourself how you pull off at the side of the road, which is, okay, the lights are changing, are they going to change? Get ready for that change. And when the lights start going to green and the gas is on, taking me time for the bite, holding the bite, you don't have to rush off, keep an eye on the lights just get to change, and then increase your speed gradually. And just practice it. And before you know it, you're there. You cracked it. Because it's mind over matter at that point, because you know you can do it in the side road, and you know you can do it on the port side of the road. Okay, good luck. I hope this advice helps you. If it does, fantastic. If you want to watch a couple of more videos on clutch control, they're down below. Take care. Safe driving.